कोडिंग भी कर सकते। So we are going to discuss quadratic expression. Quadratic expression. Ax square plus bx plus c. This is called a quadratic expression. This is
Sir, NTSC standard or 11th standard?
Both.
Okay, sir.
Denoted by y only. Quadratic expression, we will denote it by y. That means y equal to ax square plus bx plus c. You see, example, let me tell you, y equal to x minus 1 into x minus 3. So you can see that like this, x square minus 4x plus 3. We want to draw a little bit graph about this.
Yes, sir.
Graph of this. You see, graph is coming out B. This is the situation. Y0 at 1 and 3. So this will be, graph will be something like this. The graph is in parabolic shape.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Graph is in parabolic shape. Graph is in parabolic shape. So y equal to x minus 1 into x minus 3, x square minus 4x plus 3. You can see that if the graph is like this, y equal to x minus 1 whole square, that means x square minus 2x plus 1. So you should remember.
Sir, it will just touch the x-axis.
It will touch the x-axis. It will touch the x-axis. बिल्कुल सही है. It will touch the x-axis like this. So this will touch. This is also in parabolic shape. X equal to 1.
Yes, sir. Yes.
X equal to 1. Now, what is happening in this case? You can see that discriminant b square minus 4ac. If you check it, it will become positive actually.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is happening here? Here you can see that discriminant is b square minus 4ac becomes 0. Will get that?
Yes.
Now,
yes, sir. Yes.
If you take it like this, for example, x plus 1 whole square plus 1. So this y is always positive, this one. X square plus 2x plus 2. This is always positive. So y is cannot be negative. Y cannot be negative here. Y cannot be negative. So this situation means graph will be above the x-axis only. So all the graph, you can see that this is in parabolic shape. This is in parabolic shape. You can check the discriminant also. Discriminant, you see b square minus 4ac, no real root. This will be negative. B square minus 4ac should be negative. So this y is always positive. Y means this expression ax square plus bx plus c greater than 0. Meaning,
sir, so x plus 1 whole square plus 1 is greater than 0 is given to us.
I am taking an example. This is an example.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Now y equal to x plus 1 ka whole square plus 1. This is positive. X square plus 2x plus 2.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So whenever expression is positive, discriminant is negative. Expression positive means.
Sir, but don't we write x square plus this ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0 instead of greater or less?
we are writing like this. In above the x-axis case, that y become positive. This is a notation for y only. Ax square plus bx plus c is a notation for y. So this y should be positive.
So sir, means y equal to 0, in y equal to 0 case, it will either intersect or touch.
Y equal to 0 means either intersect or touch. So here graph is above the x-axis. Graph is above the x-axis. So discriminant should be negative in that case. So expression is positive means, you should remember, expression is positive means the graph is above the x-axis. Graph is above the x-axis. So let me give one example. Please try to, if expression positive means you have to use that concept. So let me write one example. If x square minus ax plus 4 greater than 0, what is the range of a? What is the range of a? Please try this problem. Please find out the range of a. You can check it discriminant.
Sir, yes, sir. 1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Okay.
Sir, range will be from -4 to 4.
Perfect answer, better. This is -4.
Answer that curve brackets, because -4 and 4 will not be the values.
So A belongs to open interval both. I know this interval को -4 to +4 is the answer for that.
Yes.
Now, idea will gain. So we will discuss more problems later. Before that, let me give some examples. Now, you can see that so y equal to ax square plus bx plus c. So you can see that y equal to x minus 1 into x minus 3. So x square minus 4x plus 3. You see here coefficient of x square is positive. But if you take it like this, for example, 2 minus x into x minus 4. In this situation, what is happening? If you take plot this point here, I am plotting this point here. It is 2. This is 4. Now x is greater than 4. If x is greater than 4, you put any value more than 4. This become negative. So graph is coming downward. This is also parabolic in nature, but graph is coming downward. Okay, beta. Whenever x is greater than 4, we are getting like this. So you see what is happened?
Sir, x greater than 4, sir, y should be positive, I suppose.
If you put x greater than 4, because x equal to 5.
X greater than 4 and greater than, sir, sorry, f less than 4 and, sorry, it's greater. Yes, sir, then it will be negative. Yes, sir.
So this is x, you can put it this value, 2 minus 5 negative, 5 minus 4 positive, so negative is coming. So if you expand this, y equal to 2 minus x into x minus 4, you see 2x minus 8 minus x square plus 4x. So if you write it properly, it is coming out to be minus x square plus 2x minus 8. So here what is happening?
Sir, plus 6x.
Plus 6x. Sorry, plus 6x. Bilkul correct. Coefficient of x square here negative. So coefficient of x square positive aa jaye to it is upward parabolic shape. Coefficient of x square is negative, then downward parabolic. So y equal to ax square plus bx plus c. You see what is the graph of this? So here what is happening? Even upward case, so it is coming like this. Ax square plus bx plus c.
Sir, then A will be, sir, A
will
will be
be
greater
positive.
than 0.
This situation, A is positive. If you take it like this, then A negative. So this is the graph of ax square plus bx plus c. Ax square plus bx plus c graph is coming something like this one. ठीक है बेटा?
Yes, sir, yes.
So for example, consider y equal to ax square plus bx plus c with a greater than 0. If k lies between the roots, k lies between the roots of ax square plus bx plus c, then what is happening? K roots के बीच में आ जाएंगे.
सर तब नेगेटिव होगा y की वैल्यू. आई मीन सॉरी सर तब सर तब सर उस वाले केस में शायद एक इक्वेशन का वो नेगेटिव होगा वैल्यू.
हाँ, इसमें what is happening? If you put
सर पर आपने स्टार्टिंग में लिखा था y can't be negative.
That is whenever discriminant negative. Whenever discriminant negative, you see discriminant negative, then y positive. Y can't be negative. This example,
Yes, yes.
this example के अंदर y cannot be negative. That is in that particular example. Now what we are saying that we can ICB notation. Sometimes we will write ax square plus bx plus c. Y we will denote it by fx also. Another notation for y equal to fx. So what is happening?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If you put x equal to k, that means fk, value of fk become negative. So
yes,
what is
sir,
happening? Yes, if k lies between the roots, ax square plus bx plus c, then y equal to fx. This is ax square plus bx plus c. Fk is negative. Fk is negative. So if you can take the given expression is fx and you can put, or we can write it like this. What is the meaning of this? A k square bk plus c should be negative. This is the condition for k lies between the roots.
Sir, sir, I suppose function in programming languages and in maths also, meaning of function is same both areas. Sir, here also if inside the brackets the value whatever the value means, whatever the variable it's representing, so whenever we put the value it will change the value, it will put the value in wherever the variable was there. Similar case happens in programming language also.
Okay. Programming you started, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So can I give one example? Now, one example.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
If 2 lies between the roots, 2 lies between the roots of x square minus m minus 3 into x plus m equal to 0. What is the range of m? What will be the range of m? Now, I am going to put one question based on.
So shall I try this on now?
You have to try 2 questions. Other question is from previous concept. So let me put one problem from the previous concept also. X square 2 into a minus 3 whole square x plus 1 greater than 0. What is range of a? What is the range of a? The square is not there. The square is no need actually. 2 into a minus 3 x plus 1. Please try. Now you, what will be the first answer? Let me also give the
Sir,
idea.
10 comma infinity.
10 comma infinity. So let me put it here. Now this is coming out to be, if you put x equal to 2, that becomes 4 minus m minus 3 into 2 plus 7. This should be negative. 4 minus 2m plus 6 plus m should be negative. So 10 minus m should be negative. So 10 less than m. Or you can see that m should be greater than 10. So answer to this problem is coming out to be 10 to infinity. The other one is we already practiced that. So let me tell you the next.
Yes.
One. Let me give you the. So consider ax square plus bx plus c with the a greater than 0. We are considering a greater. Similarly, a less than 0 also we can discuss. So first we are considering a greater than 0. Now you see, this is our x-axis, and if the graph is in parabolic nature, these are the roots. So here you see one condition like this, exactly one root. Out of these two, only one, exactly one root lies between two numbers, k1 and k2. If exactly two numbers lies between k1 and k2, that for example, here k1, you see between k1 and k2, what is happening? Alpha lies. Getting the idea? Between k1 and k2, one root.
Yes.
Or this is also possible. This is k1 and this is k2. So between k1 and k2, beta is lies. In both the case, let me tell you, fk1 into fk2 negative. These values coming out being opposite side. You see, here fk1 is positive, here fk1 is positive, here fk2 is negative. Getting the idea?
Yes, sir, yes.
Is positive here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This
So because alpha and between alpha and beta, it will be positive and then negative, and then outside it will be positive.
So therefore, this is here fk1 positive, here fk2 negative. Now here fk1, here you see that this value negative, fk1 negative, here fk2 positive. So Hamisa, this is the situation. Exactly one root lies between K1 and K2. One root lies between K1 and K2. Then Fk1 into Fk2 is negative. That is the concept. Fk1 into Fk2 is negative. Not that much complicated. You can get this idea. Fk1 into Fk2 negative means exactly one root lies between K1 and K2. Fk1 and Fk2 negative means exactly one root lies between K1 and K2. Will get better.
Yes, sir.
So exactly one root lies between K1 and K2 means this is the concept behind that. I can explain with a small example. So you have to Fk1 means xk jaga, that you can put that K1 value. Fk2 means instead of x you can replace with the K2. So exactly one root lies between K1 and K2. Let me give one example. You please try. Let me write it. Exactly one root of x square plus 2 into a minus 1x plus a plus 5 equals 0 lies between 1 and 2. K1 is 1, K2 is 2. What is the range of A? This is the question based on this concept. I will give you two more problems. So that is based on the earlier concepts. First you try this one. Let me put that other problems also. This is today's first concept. Please try. The second problem also, let me keep it. Please try these two problems. Now, this answer to this, let me collect that. Here they are giving exactly one root lies between 1 and 2. So this is, if you put x equal to 1 here, that means you know that fx, or I can write fx is the given equation, x square 2 into a minus 1x a plus 5. Now f1 you can calculate. F1 is 1 plus 2a minus 2 plus a plus 5. So 3a minus 3a plus 4 you will get it. 3a plus 4. This is F1. Similarly, F2 also. The F2 is coming out to be 4 plus x equal to 2. So 4a minus 4 plus a plus 5. So this is coming out to be 5a plus 5 only, or 5 times a plus 2. The root is lies between 1 and 2 means f1 into f2 is negative. That means 3a plus 4 into, this is 5 into a plus 1 is negative. So here we are going to use that Wavy curve. You know that minus 4 by 3 is magnitude is more than 1. This is minus 1. So negative region is minus 4 by 3 to minus 1 is the answer to that. Now you see, we are going to do that second one also.
Yes.
That second one answer. Here expression is positive. So expression positive means discriminant negative. So 64 minus 4 into a is k minus 2, then k plus 4. This will be negative. So we can dividing by 4. This is 16 minus k square plus 2k minus 8 less than 0. Or this is minus minus k square minus 2k plus 24 is negative. If you multiply with the minus 1, this is k square plus 2k. This is 24 only. This is 24. So minus 24 less than 0. So what is the value here? So 6 into 4. So you can say that k plus 6, k minus 4. This is after multiplying with the minus. So inequality is going to change. So we want to do it like this. This is greater than 0. This is also greater than 0. So value is as usual by Wavy curve. This point is minus 6. This is 4. So positive region. These two are the positive region. What is the problem they are giving? Problem is this one only. The least integral value of k4, which least integral value of k4, which this is. So option is given. So this is 5 only. So k should be either less than minus 6 or k should be greater than 4. So according to the option, we are getting least value of k is 5. I think they will have to give least positive value, they will have to write it. But they are not given. But according to this option, 5 is the least value. Got it, na? Now next concept, let me explain to you.
So can you once show again? Sir, I just have to take a screenshot. Sir.
Okay, this one. Please take this.
Sir, the solution of this segment. Yes, sir, you can show a little bit below now.
Okay.
Yes, sir, got it.
If x is real.
Sir, but when I was solving, sir, Acha. Sir, got it, my mistake, sir. Got my mistake, sir. Sir, although my answer was coming same, sir, I did one mistake.
Okay. If x is real, then discriminant should be greater than or equal to 0. This we know that if x is real, then ax square plus bx plus c. X is real in that quadratic equation, then you should remember discriminant should be greater than or equal to 0. Think about it, x is real, then ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. discriminant should be greater than or equal to 0. Or this result we know that. You see the next result also. If x is real, then they can ask what is the range of ax square plus bx plus c dividing by px square plus qx plus r. Then what is the range of this one? So these type of problem. So normally what we will do, we will denote this ax square plus bx plus c. We will denote this ax square plus bx plus c by y only. What I am telling you, denote this by y. Now what you will get it, ax square plus bx plus c dividing by px square plus qx plus r. If you cross multiply, you will get it like this. Equal to 0. It is not equal to 0. In RHS, we have ax square plus bx plus. Now what is happening? You arrange like this. In LHS, x square.
Can you show a little bit above?
Tell me.
So can you show a little bit above?
What we are doing, if x is real, then we are going to find out the range of ax square plus bx plus divided by px square plus qx plus r. So what we will do, we are going to denote by this expression by y. Then what we want to find out, we want to find out the range of y only. Range of y means range of this. So what we will do, cross multiply, you will get a quadratic like this. So this is ry minus c equals 0. This is quadratic in x. This is quadratic in x. Now, since x is real, so we can say that discriminant is greater than or equal to 0. Discriminant greater than or equal to 0. Let me, this concept, if you find out discriminant of that expression greater than or equal to 0, which will give range of y. So y means the given expression only.
So what have you written before x? Sir, before x is real, what have you?
X qy minus.
Sir, what have you written before x is real?
Before
x is real.
Since x is real, quadratic in x.
Okay, since
x is real, since x is real, so discriminant is greater than or equal to. This is a little bit complicated concept. So let me give an illustration. Please, you should listen. After that, you can try. Or if you want to try, you can try first.
Sir, I want to try. Sir, it's not that difficult.
So let me write the question. If x is real, what is the range of? The answer is not given. That is the reason. So range of x square plus 3x plus 1 dividing by x square plus x plus 1. Please try this. Together with, I will give you one or two questions also. I can give one more problem, which containing 3 parts also. So here there is a question like this. Please try all this. Please try all of this. Now next concept is, in both roots are positive. both roots of, let me take both roots, alpha beta ax square plus bx plus c are positive, then sum should be positive and the product is also positive. That is, sum of the root positive and the product of the root is positive. So both roots of ax square plus bx plus c are positive. Sum positive and product also positive. Similarly, next result also. Both roots are negative. Then what is happening? Sum negative and product positive. Alpha plus beta negative and alpha into beta greater than 0. So please try. I am not explaining. If you try yourself, that is a better approach.
आपने रिजल्ट स्टार्ट कहाँ से किया था, एक बार दिखा दीजिए.
So this is the situation.
दोनों रिजल्ट दिखा दीजिए एक बार.
Both roots alpha beta of ax square plus bx are positive. Then sum of the root is positive. Product of the root is positive. Now both are negative. For example, you can check it. Alpha is 3, beta is 4. What will happen? Sum also positive, product also positive. In negative case, alpha you take.
सर नेगेटिव का श्योर नहीं है ना कि सम 0 लेस देन 0 होगा. सर श्योर, अच्छा बोथ नेगेटिव.
Both negative. Both are negative. In both negative, we have the surety is there. Now let me give 2-3 questions. Both root of x square plus 2 into a minus 1x plus a plus 5 equal to 0 are positive. What is the range of a? What will be the range of a? Please try all these problems.
सर
Tell me.
सर
Tell me.
सर -5 सर -5 इंफिनिटी.
Okay. Next भी try कर रहे हैं.
सर एक्चुअली वो 1 इंफिनिटी यूनियन -5 इंफिनिटी आ रहा था, तो वो -5 इंफिनिटी ही हुआ एट द एंड.
Okay.
तो उसके अंदर सारा आ रहा था.